Okay, hello, welcome for this video. Yes, today this video is about to show you about all the monkey in Amber team move the drop from Bayound team Paul to Baksey cham team Paul. Okay, here is some action of all monkey. Okay, you see this one, she is Mom Chen. Yes, Mom Chen she walk. Okay, and one more is Mom Clady. Yes, and another one, baby, little baby. I'm not clearly. Okay, see that action of all. This one is Bonita. Yes. What happened on Bonita? What's it scary? Why of that monkey? Some monkey run up to the tree. Maybe she saw something that make her dangerous. Yeah. Okay. You see why she stand? What's she looking? Okay. Okay. This one is Manchen. Okay, Manchen stop from Mujan. Yes. Here. This is Manchen. Okay. Oh wow, Mom Teresa have always have Mom Butter to carry bottom because Mom Butter is too old. Okay, so she want to have Mom Butter. Yes, that is some action of all monkey. You see, okay. Some monkey walk alright here. Some monkey still or not yet alright here. Okay, you see it's rose. Okay, sorry. Okay, wow, but I want to catch Teresa because she lazy to walk. Okay, wow. Teresa runs too fast. Okay, but run after. Yes. Okay, yes, this one is Mom Jen. Okay, Janet and Tazana. Yes. Okay, Emily monkey is not right here. Is another monkey. Okay, monkey is here. Yes. Okay, monkey is walk too fast. Now she keep going. Yes. Okay. Still monkey keep going, but some monkey go on the tree. Yes. Okay, it's Janet. Okay, that is Mom Jen. Yes, it's Janet. Okay, you see, Mom Jen is keep going alone because another monkey still not yet. Alright, yeah, not yet. Okay. Well, you see now Janet run after Mom Jen. Okay, another monkey. Oh. Okay, you see who is he? He is Winnie. Yes. Oh, what's he eating? Okay, that is another monkey. Yeah. Okay, this is the big moving after stay at the Bayound temple nearly 1 week. Okay, that before long time like this. Okay, before just 2 or 3 days. This time is really too long until 1 week. Okay, but I'm not that clearly. She will go till alright, but say jump krong team Paul. Yes, because sometimes she come back. Okay, and sometimes they come back, and sometimes they go till alright, but say jump krong team Paul. Yeah, okay. That is the same action of all monkey during moving through. Okay, wow. Some monkey carry baby, some monkey lazy, all the baby walk alone, and some monkey cry because mom not carry her. Okay, wow, many monkey and mommy monkey. Okay, you see here? Wow, many mommy monkey. Can you see here? Many monkey here. Okay, happy to see like this. Wow, many monkey is going. Okay, some monkey not there right, still behind. Yeah, you see, the monkey is behind. Only the boy monkey and no baby. Yeah. And you know why? Why she's not go first? She's still behind because all of them want to protect him from the enemy. Okay. That's why she's still late. Here. Okay, this one is the mom Brianna after she was abortion baby. No, not abortion. She was giving birth, but her baby fall down from the tree. Okay, now she looks very sad. She walk alone. Okay, and that one is a little Barbie. Yes, and Barbie is the last one of all monkey. Oh, I don't know why she's like that. Oh, not yet. Like the last one is one more monkey here. Yes, it's a Timo. Yes, here is that monkey. Okay, Timo. I don't know why he got wound on her abdomen. Yes, here Timo got wound. Okay, wow. Maybe she got attacked by another monkey. Yes. She tired. Sorry, he tired. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for my speaking or English language is not good for me. Okay, I just want to present you. Okay, during walk time and during moving. Okay, you see all of them here. She is not the monkey in the team. She is our team, and all of them they are the real monkey. Okay, okay, all of them look to the monkey in amber team. Okay, here I want to show you. Here is monkey in amber team. Okay, here all of them want to attack the real monkey, but look, the real monkey is not scared to them. Okay, yes, okay, the real monkey not scared. Okay, just sit and look. Okay, here, wow, many monkey here, not only 2 or 3, many monkey inside the wheel. Okay, just 1 or 2 monkey outside. Yes, wow, many monkey here. Okay, here, wow, all of them, they are the real monkey. Yeah, yes, because of the real monkey is have many